A very good day to Dr. Saiful. Today we will be presenting our group presentation on the topic of unit trust. Firstly, to introduce our group members, the first one is Li Yixin with the metric number of 278290. Next, Ba Changjun with the metric number of 278953. Next, Kuei Xie with the metric number of 279569. Next is myself, Mabel Ng Shui with the metric number of 279652. Lastly is Ong Jing with the metric number of 279998. First is a short introduction about unit trust. Unit trust is one of the collective investment in which established under a trustee. It accepts an unlimited number of participants. The assets is classified into cash, bonds, deposits, shares, stocks, properties, and commodities. The number of units issued multiplied by the price per unit gives the underlying value of the assets in a unit trust portfolio. Unit trust is an open-ended investment vehicles that are divided into units with varying price. Next, to calculate the return. The price of each unit is calculated by the net asset value NAV of the fund is divided by the number of units outstanding to determine the price of each unit. To calculate the total return in percentage is to get the dividend of distribution plus the ending of NAV minus the original value of NAV divided by the original value of NAV to get the proportion and then multiply by 100%. By using this formula, we can calculate the accumulated value of unit trust after n years is to get A equals to P multiplied by 1 plus I powered by n. Next is the benefit of unit trust. The main benefit of unit trust is diversification. Diversification helps to reduce the investment risk. Unit trust fund invests in more than 50 publicity traded firms from a multitude of sectors including consumer goods, oil, palm gas, palm oil, health, and communication. The second benefit of trust fund is low capital investment. Anyone can have a unit trust fund due to its low capital investment. This makes it accessible and is inexpensive for first-time investors and those with limited cash. The third benefit of unit trust is high liquidity. The term liquidity here refers to the ease of which we can get the profits from an investment without charging any withdrawal fees before the investment matures. Investing in a unit trust allows you to take your money out at any moment regardless of the current market price with no penalties. The fourth benefit of unit trust is professional management. Professionals possess the necessary abilities that have conducted research in order to protect our investments. The Securities Commission also maintains a focus on unit trust companies to ensure that they stick to a high standard. This is to solve the problem for people choose to invest in the stock market with the intention of making large and quick profits, which they neglect the waiting period to recover the initial investment value. Lastly, the benefit of unit trust is its compounding interest. Compounding refers to an asset's ability to generate earnings and then reinvested to produce more profit. We may receive some profit after investing in unit trust. We may either take the profit and enjoy it or leave it to be reinvested. If we reinvest it, it becomes an extra capital that can be used to produce more profit. That is all from me. Thank you.
My name is Ba Changjun with metric number 278953. I'm going to talk about comparison between Amanah Saham Bumiputera and Amanah Saham Malaysia. Firstly, Amanah Saham Bumiputera is for Malaysian Bumiputera investor only, whereas Amanah Saham Malaysia is open to all Malaysians regardless whether Bumiputera or not. Next, for Amanah Saham Bumiputera, maximum investment can up to 200,000 units for account Dewasa and account Remaja. Whereas for Amanah Saham Malaysia have no maximum investment limit based on the availability of units of the funds. Next, Amanah Saham Bumiputera do provide bonus and special bonus return per unit, while Amanah Saham Malaysia do not provide any benefit. Lastly, based on past year financial reports, Amanah Saham Bumiputera has been consistently giving higher dividend even without bonus compared to Amanah Saham Malaysia. Thank you, and that's all for our presentation.